Hello guys, this is Devraj Chaudhary and you are watching Technician. Today I'm going to tell you about my first thoughts and my review of the Oneplus Nord after using it for 30 days. So let's start the video. So guys, this is not an unboxing video, it's a review video. But before we start the video, let me just show you what comes inside the box. As you can see, this is the box, right? As we open it, we get this plastic. The phone comes inside this plastic wrapped in it. So next is this. Let me show you what we get here. So guys, these are the various manuals that we get. Red Cable Club, okay. We get this. We get various user manuals. This is the OnePlus stickers, quick start guide and safety information. We also get a pin to eject a SIM card trace. So guys, let's keep all this aside. Of course, we get the power cable and the power brick too. This is a USB Type-C cable and a power brick. So guys, let's keep all this aside. So guys, let's talk about the phone. I hope you guys can see the phone. So guys, the blue color looks quite good. It has 4 back cameras and 2 front cameras. So guys, let me first tell you something about the phone. The OnePlus Nord comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, not the fastest but does the job quite good. And it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB ROM. So guys, the reason why I bought this phone is because of its screen. It has a 90 Hz display. So guys, let me show you what we can do. Display advance. So guys, we have this option here, 90 Hz and 60 Hz. So guys, the main reason is because that this phone has a 90 Hz display. So I bought this phone. I really wanted to see how a 90 Hz display was than a normal phone. So guys, there was a huge difference in the phone, as the 90 Hz display was very smooth, while there is an option that we can choose 60 Hz also. 90 Hz, when we choose the 90 Hz display, the screen turns very smooth. At least that's how I feel. And we can also downgrade to 60 Hz, because this, while using 90 Hz display, the battery consumption is much higher than that what it consumes while we are using the 60 Hz display. So I always use the 60 Hz display. However, when I'm playing games like PuBG or Asphalt or some high intensive games, I turn on my 90 Hz display, and it helps me in getting a very good gameplay out of it. So that's all about the screen. Now let's go towards the headphone jack. See, this is the biggest drawback that I felt on the phone, is that it doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, which I think OnePlus should have given in the phone, as people are still using wired headphones and not wireless. Wired headphones gives a lot of having the 3.5mm jack would have been a great idea for OnePlus, but I don't know, they haven't used that. So let's move on. Now the cameras. Now cameras in the front, as I said, we have 2 cameras, and in the back we have 4. So the main camera is 48 megapixel, while the ultra wide is 8 megapixel. We have a 5 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. I've used the camera quite a bit, but the thing is, the main camera and the ultra wide camera are quite good. However, the macro and the depth camera are not that useful, or you could say I haven't really seen anything great in it. However, the main camera, which is a 48 megapixel, that's quite good enough, does the job. However, in low light conditions, the phone doesn't perform that well. Moreover, in the front we have a 32 megapixel camera, which is a wide camera, and a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. The front camera is okay. I wouldn't say it's great, but does the job. So guys, after that we should move on to the about the software. The software is something which is which we know OnePlus for. It's a bloatware free, we could say, not totally, but a couple of things here and there. But it's almost a bloatware free software, which is really good. Gives a super smooth interface to the phone. And guys, we will also be getting 2-year updates on this phone, as it has been guaranteed by OnePlus itself. Then guys, about the battery is a 4115 mAh battery, comes with a 30 watt power charging brick and a type C cable. So guys, it has fast charging, as OnePlus is already known for. Power charging is really good in the phone. Then let's move on to the sensors and everything. So let me show you the fingerprint sensor. I haven't set it up, but it has an under-screen fingerprint sensor. Just let me set it up for you guys. So guys, here we go to the settings, security, and fingerprint unlock. Okay, let's put a pin here, and then let's set up the camera, the fingerprint sensor. So first I have to set it up. The phone is giving quite a good haptic feedback also, so I guess that is also one of the good things about the phone. Okay, so we have set the screen lock, fingerprint screen lock. So let's try to unlock the phone. Oh, that was quite fast, right guys? Okay, so guys, the camera unlock function is also really good. Fingerprint sensors are really fast, doesn't take much time. Okay, oh, that's not even taking a second, I guess. It's really fast, guys. So guys, at what price did I buy the phone? The phone was to 27,999 rupees. I got some discount because I bought it on debit card EMI. Got a discount of around 2,800. It's a cashback discount. I'll get it after paying 3 months of my EMI. So that's great, right guys? So guys, what's my overall opinion about this phone? Of course, it's a great phone, you guys can go for it. However, if you are a camera centric phone, I wouldn't recommend you guys, as it might have 4 cameras on the back, but only 2 of the cameras are, I just feel that the 48 megapixel main camera and the 8 MP ultra wide camera are really useful. However, the 5 MP depth camera and the 2 MP macro camera, it didn't do anything for me. And in the front, the 32 megapixel a wide camera and the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, they are also good. However, it's not the best. So if you are a camera centric phone, I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this phone. Moreover, if you are a gamer and you like playing quite a lot of games on your phone, even then I wouldn't recommend you this phone. It's the reason behind that is because, of course, you can buy it has a good processor and you can play quite a lot of games on it, good games and good settings. But the thing is, this phone doesn't have the best processor. It has an okay processor, which is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, but it's not the strongest. So if you are looking for a gaming phone, I wouldn't recommend you this. However, if you are looking for a phone in under a budget of 28,000 and you want to go for a OnePlus phone, I would recommend you this. Sorry, if you have 28,000 rupees and you are looking into buying a phone which has a good display or has an overall functionality, overall all functions are not the best but okay, you can go for this phone. Build quality is also okay. It is quite light actually, not too heavy also. So that's my review, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like my videos, and do comment below. Any queries you have, you can mention them in the comment section and I will try to answer them as best as possible. Thank you guys and have a great day ahead.